Join me as I try to capture the best view of Saturn through my telescope tonight. Let's see what details we can discover together. In this video, you'll discover the breathtaking beauty of Saturn as seen through a telescope and what makes this planet so unique. Its stunning ring system and fascinating moons make it a favorite among astronomers and stargazers alike. Many stargazers struggle to capture a clear view of Saturn due to atmospheric conditions and telescope limitations. The quality of your view can be greatly affected by the clarity of the night sky and the quality of your telescope. Even with the best equipment, a slight disturbance in the atmosphere can blur the image. That's why patience and practice are key to getting a great view of Saturn. Atmospheric conditions like turbulence and light pollution can greatly impact your viewing experience. That's why it's essential to find a location with minimal light pollution and clear skies. Your telescope's quality also plays a significant role in determining the clarity of the image. A good telescope with a sturdy mount and high-quality optics can make all the difference. If you're new to stargazing, don't be discouraged if your first attempts don't yield the best results. Keep trying, and you'll eventually get the hang of it. With time and practice, you'll learn to adjust your telescope and adapt to the viewing conditions. We will discuss the best time and conditions for viewing Saturn, what equipment you need, and share tips for enhancing your viewing experience. The best time to view Saturn is when it's at opposition, which occurs when the planet is on the opposite side of the Earth from the Sun. This usually happens around July or August. A good telescope with a diameter of at least 60 millimeters is recommended for a clear view of Saturn. A sturdy mount and a good eyepiece are also essential for a smooth viewing experience. You can also use a planetary filter to reduce the brightness of the planet and enhance the details. When using a filter, make sure to adjust the focus carefully to get the best image. At this point, I'll reveal my actual telescope view of Saturn, highlighting its stunning rings and colors. As I take a closer look, I can see the beautiful ring system with its intricate details and subtle colors. The rings appear as a bright, icy halo surrounding the planet. The view is breathtaking, with the planet's moons also visible in the distance. I can see the moon Titan, which is the largest moon of Saturn, and several other smaller moons. The colors of the planet and its rings are also fascinating, with shades of yellow, brown, and white. Upon closer inspection, I notice the subtle details of the ring system, with its gaps and divisions. The view is truly mesmerizing, and I feel like I'm getting a glimpse of a world that's far beyond our own. The experience of viewing Saturn through a telescope is a reminder of how small we are in the grand scheme of things. Yet it's also a testament to human curiosity and our desire to explore and understand the universe. In this video, we discuss the best time and conditions for viewing Saturn, the equipment you need, and some tips for enhancing your viewing experience. If you've had a chance to observe Saturn yourself, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to D3 and check out my next video where we'll explore more celestial wonders in the night sky. And as always, keep looking up.